Assalamualaikum. My name is Muntaha Fatima and I am from 7th class. Today my topic is difference between atomic number and mass number. First of all, what is atomic number? The number of protons in an atom is called its atomic number. The atomic number also tells us how many electrons the atom has. Because in atom the number of protons and electrons are same. The atomic number is represented by capital Z. For example, this is the helium atom. The helium atom has 2 protons and its atomic number is 2 or Z is equal to 2. Then what is mass number? When the proton and neutron of any atom are added, they make the mass number. The formula of mass number is proton plus neutron is equal to mass number. The mass number is represented by capital A. For example, the helium atom has 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Then we add proton plus neutron, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then its mass number is 4 or A is equal to 4. Thank you.